Okay, can I interview you?
Did you get the first one?
Yep. Quick question.
Yep.
Do you have the hiccups?
Yeah.
Even Spider-Man gets the hiccups?
Yeah. But
Who exactly are you fighting?
you?
No, whoa. Me?
Falco?
Who's the worst guy on the planet?
Donald Trump?
You're right. Whoa. How'd you know that?
I don't know.
You still have the hiccups?
Can I climb that? Okay.
It'll fall over.
Yeah, clap my head. Just see how I get up here.
You gotta jump.
That's what I'm gonna do. Hold on to the sprinkler and then jump.
Oh, yeah.
Guys. Can't hang on that. Nope. Not yet.
How'd that go?
Good. Now I know how to get over here.
Were you scared?
Huh?
Were you scared?
No. Of course I'm not scared. I can jump off here. Want me to do this?
You want me to take the mask?
You want me to...
I'll take the mask.
Whoa. Okay, here's the mask. You want me to get off?
I hope you don't get caught.
I won't. There's not one here. Miss me. I'm not going to get caught. Don't worry, guys. Well, I get caught. Here, take this.